Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the actual site files, place index. HTML at the root and group images, CSS, and JS in tidy folders. Once done, sign into Google Drive and create a new folder named for the site. Make that folder visible to anyone with the link. Then upload all files directly into that folder, preserving subfolders. Make sure file names are lowercase and avoid spaces. This reduces errors later and speeds up loading when the content is served. Once your files are uploaded, change folder sharing so anyone with the link can view. This lets Drive serve files publicly. Next, open each file and copy its shareable link. The unique file ID is what you'll use. You must set index HTML to be viewable because that file is your home page. Then map direct download links by modifying the share URL to a direct file access format. This is necessary so browsers load raw HTML rather than Drive preview pages. Now publish by pointing your domain or redirect to the direct access link that resolves to index HTML. If you lack a custom domain, share the direct ID-based URL. Test the site in Chrome and Firefox and make sure assets load correctly. If something fails, first clear the cache and retry. Also inspect the browser console for CORS, 404, or mixed content errors. If issues persist, confirm files are public, paths match exactly, and file names use lowercase with no spaces. Those are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.